Pan-Semiconductor sector. Powered by vertically integrated proprietary technologies, Manst commands technology leadership across multiple frontier sectors. Within the semiconductor display sector, we have successfully developed Gen 8.5 coating equipment, achieving breakthrough advancements in critical coating processes for flexible OLED displays and UTG foldable screens. Within the advanced panel-level packaging domain, our core technologies including TGV non-contact coating and integrated deformation correction are accelerating scalable industrial deployment at the critical equipment level. We have pioneered China's first domestically developed GW scale coater with globally leading efficiency, setting new world records for single-junction perovskite coating, 210 mm full-size wafer processing, and module-level output. To date, Manst has successfully served multiple industry leaders, including Boe and key Apple supply chain partners, actively advancing technological innovation and capacity upgrades across the Pan-Semiconductor ecosystem.